Let's take a look at why teams have become so popular. Why are teams so popular? In short, because we believe they're effective. A team of people happily committed to a project and one another will outperform a brilliant individual every time. They can quickly assemble, deploy, refocus, and disband. Teams are more flexible and responsive to changing events than traditional departments or other forms of permanent groupings. They're an effective means to democratize organizations and increase employee involvement. The fact that organizations have embraced teamwork doesn't necessarily mean that teams are always effective. Team members may be swayed by fads and herd mentality that can lead them astray to the best decisions.